guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look here. It is our second look for our Valentine's Day lookbook eye edition. Yeah, I did a little extra, a lot extra. If you guys don't notice, my lashes are way longer than I naturally do them. These are like 25mm lashes, and I am not someone who wears lashes this long. So this is a first for me, and I also added some bottom lashes, and I added some jewels. You guys know this trend that's going on ever since Euphoria and Maddie wearing jewels on her eyes. Everyone on Instagram has been wearing jewels on their eyes. So I just went ahead and just, you know, joined the bandwagon. I hope you guys like it. You don't have to add like the super long lashes and the, you know, lashes and all that extra stuff. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, do the thing. Especially subscribe, comment down below, like this video because that definitely helps. Okay, help a sister out. And yeah, leave any suggestions down below that you guys would like to see this Valentine's Day month. Any other like makeup looks or any colors that you guys would want to see me do with eyeshadow looks and everything, and I'll make sure to do that. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I already went ahead to my base, so now we are going to go in with eyes. Okay, so the main palettes that we're going to be using today is the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions. I'm going to be using this color right here. No, this color right here, which is kind of like a ruby-ish, pinkish color. And then we're going to go in with the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. And I'm going to take this pink color that's in it. This is going to be our main color, okay? So yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and prep my eye using my Louise base in Rumour 4 as well as my BH Cosmetics brush that I always use. We're just going to take a little bit, since we already have our base. You don't want to drag it out too much because then it's just, you know, gonna get everywhere. It's not gonna look cute. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend out the edges. I'm going to use a Sephora airbrush shadow brush, and I'm going to go in with the pink color that's in the Zulu palette. These colors are very, very pigmented, so you really want to be careful with placement. So right now I'm mainly going to pat it on my eye. I'm not going to move it or anywhere. I just want it on my eye right now. And as you guys can see, like I said, very, very pigmented. I forgot to put powder under my eyes, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take our Huda Beauty powder, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that and place it under my eyes for fallout. Yeah, so we're taking that same brush and we're taking that same color and we're just patting it on. You want to get as much pigmentation on the eye as possible, and because this is a matte color, it's very easy for this color to look patchy. So you just want to have like a very even base, and then once you have that even base on your eyelid, you can just bring it up. And now whatever's left on the brush, you just take that and you blend out the edges. Now, with my MAC 217 brush, I'm going to go into the Ruby Obsessions, and I'm going to take this color right here, and I think I'm going to blend it with a little bit of this burnt, like this dark burgundy-ish, ruby-ish color, and I'm going to take that and put it on my outer corner just to give some dimension. We don't want just a flat base. Now that same brush that we used before to blend out those colors, we're going to tap into that pink with that brush just a little bit, and we're going to lightly buff out the color that we placed. Okay guys, that's pretty much the look. So now to jazz it up just a little bit, you can leave it like this if you would like, because this is very easy. But everybody knows the current trends that is going on. We always add a little bit of jewels onto our eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and add some jewels that I got from Michael's. I honestly probably didn't even need to put the powder there because I didn't get as much fall as I thought I would. So yes, these jewels were, I think, like $1 for these jewels, or like $1.50. They are the bling stickers. And I just saw them and I thought they were really, really cute. So, I want to put one in my inner corner. So I'm going to put one in my inner corner right here. And then I'm going to put some across the eyes. So I'm going to take my time with this. This is very scary. I'm going to take my time with this. And I want it like right above my, like when I look straight, I want you to be able to see it. So I'm going to look straight to, like straight at my mirror. And I'm going to place it right, actually I'm just going to place it in the middle. Place one dot there. I'm going to move quickly so that the glue doesn't dry all the way. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it as those two because this is taking too much time and I don't have time for it. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my liner using my Miss Pink liner. I'm only gonna use the felt tip side because the stamp is, it don't do nothing for me. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes. These are 25mm lashes. This is my first time ever trying lashes these long. I got them from Amazon for like $7. So I just wanted to go ahead and try it because I wanted to do like, you know, be like an Instagram baddie. And lately everybody has been wearing 25mm lashes. I have very small eyes, so I'm always afraid of wearing lashes like this, but I hope that it doesn't look as crazy as I think it's going to look. Okay guys, so wish your girl some luck, okay? Now these lashes are long, okay? Let's see how someone looks straight up. These are some long lashes, but it's gonna do what it do because I already got it on my eye and I'm not gonna change it. This is crazy. I don't know how people wear lashes like this. Like, this is insane. I'm going to take that color that we used in the Ruby Obsessions with the same airbrush shadow brush. I'm going to take this deep burgundy-ish color right here, and I'm gonna place that under my waterline on my lower lash line. So I'm going to take a Sigma pencil brush, an E30 pencil brush, and I'm going to dip into my Juvias Place, what is this called? It is the Nubia Loose Highlighter. I'm going to take that and I'm going to just put that in the corner. I'm gonna brighten this up with our BH Cosmetics pressed highlighters. So now we're gonna go in with the Wild palette from the BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna go in with this bottom color right here, and I'm gonna take that and place that right over the Nubia. This is just going to brighten that inner corner up and not make it look so golden, since we have silver jewels. I'm gonna go back in with the Miss Pink highlighter pen. It's a highlighter pen, liner pen, and I'm going to draw a like line. I'm gonna basically drag out the liner here. Down, my battery's about to die soon, so hopefully it doesn't die before we do this part. But if it does, I'll just show you guys what I mean at the end. So I went ahead and I placed the jewels inside of my eye. I darkened up the liner. Hopefully you guys can see it. I don't know why my face is not focused. There we go. So yeah, I went ahead and did that. Let me get in the middle. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see how the eye looks. So this is the eye. I'm going to take my A23 brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, in our Wild and Radiant palette from BH Cosmetics. And then I'm just going to take whatever is on the top of the Juvias Place Nubia loose highlighter, just the slightest bit. I'm gonna take that on the brush, and I'm just gonna place that right here to brighten that up a little bit, intensify that, I should say. And then I'm gonna smile, and I'm gonna add some just on the apples of my cheeks, like whatever is left over. I'm not gonna add any more. So, and now for nose highlight, I'm going to go back into the Wild and Radiant, the same color that we used. I'm going to take that and place that right here and down, like halfway down the bridge of my nose. So for lips, we are going to do almost our usual combo right off our lips. And I'm going to take our beauty supply store makeup. This is from NK Makeup. I don't know what color this is. I think it's actually like an eyeliner that I use. It's in dark brown. And I use it to outline my lips. And then I'm going to take the Sephora gel liner in dark brown, I believe, in Molasses. Place that right on top. And now I'm going to take the Nicki and M.A.C collection lipstick in Nicki's Nude, and then I'm going to take a little bit of Kylie Cosmetics Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Like, and just add a little bit because this is so much product on this thing. Like, this lasts me like forever. So, spray my face using our Morphe Continuous Settings Mist. I'm gonna move my hair out the way again. Take that and just dab it in. Now I'm going to go in with my Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. And I'm going to take that and just place it on my bottom lashes, which I don't really have any compared to these top lashes. After I add the mascara, I'm going to add some individual lashes by Ardell. Okay. Okay, so I have that on one eye. As you guys can see, this one is a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and just place those lashes on the other eye, and we're going to come back with the final results. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. Okay, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more makeup looks. This is the second of 4 makeup looks. It was going to be 5 with my last outfit that I wanted to wear. But it was going to be 5, but I don't think I'm going to do 5. 4 is definitely going to be it, but I may do 5, maybe. Okay, that's going to be a surprise if it is. But this is 2 out of 4 makeup lookbooks eye edition. Make sure you subscribe so that you can stay in tune. Make sure you hit that notification button so you are the first to see my videos and first to see our newest videos that are coming up. We have a video out tonight, a video out on Tuesday, and a video out on Wednesday. We are doing a thing, okay? We are not playing. We're not playing 2020. I'm coming and I'm staying. So that was corny. I need to stop. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.